Welcome back to Math Solver 1117, where math become easy and fun. In today's video, we will solve a very interesting Olympiad math problem that looks tricky, but when I will solve this, it will become very easy and simple. Problem is x equals y square minus 1057 and y equals x square minus 1057. You have to find the value of x and y. X equals what and the y equals what. You have to solve this. Consider this is the equation 1 and this is the equation 2. Now how we will solve this? We will solve this as equation 1 minus 2. So we get x minus y equals y square minus x square or y square minus 1057 and minus x square plus 1057. Now minus 1057 and the plus 1057 both are cancelled out and we have x minus y equals y square minus x square. Now we can write this as x minus y then plus x square and minus y square equals 0. Now we solve this further as we will write x minus y plus x square minus y square can be write as x minus y into x plus y. Now this will become, take the x minus y as common from this. So remaining is 1, this is 1. 1 plus x plus y equals 0. There are two possibilities, x minus y equals 0 and the other one is x plus y plus 1 equals 0. Now we get this implies x equal y, so this will be not solved, so this is rejected. Now we will do for this one, we will get x plus y equals minus 1, so this is the equation 3. Now we will add equation 1, 2 and 3. Equation 1 and 2, this is the, we will write here equation 3, that is x plus y equals minus 1. Now we will add equation 1 and 2. So by adding equation 1 and 2, what will happen? We get x plus y equals y square minus 1057 plus x square minus 1057, but we have the value of x plus y is minus 1. Minus 1 equals y square plus x square, and this will be add 1057 and 1057 both are. Now we will add both of them, so this will become minus 2114. Now our equation will be x square plus y square equals minus 21. This will be plus 2114 minus 1. So we have x square plus y square equals 2113. So this is the value of 2113. Now we will consider x plus y, that equals minus 1. Now taking the square on both sides, x plus y square minus 1 squared. So we get x square plus y square plus 2 of xy equals 1. So x square plus y square equals 2113 plus 2 of xy equals 1. So we get 2 of xy equals 1 minus 2113, that is minus 2112, and this is divided by 2, and we get the value of xy, that will be 1056. So xy equals minus 1056. Then this will be the next equation. This is the equation 4. We will write this here. X square plus y square equals 2113. And then next xy equals minus 1056. Now we will use another formula to solve this further. So we get other value of x minus y whole square, that equals x square plus y square minus 2 of xy, that means 2113 minus 2 into minus 1056, that means 2113 minus, this will be minus minus plus 2112. So add both of them, we will get value equals 4225. This is the value of x minus y. Now we will take the square on both sides and get root of x minus y square, and this is the root of 4225. So x minus y equals plus minus 65. This is the value of x minus y. So these are the two equations. X minus y equals 65 and x minus y equals minus 65. So we will solve this further by considering two equations. First one is, because you have to find the value of x plus y. So x plus y is minus 1, and consider x minus y is 65. Add both of them. So 2 of x equals 64. So x equals 32. When x is 32, so x plus y equals minus 1. So y equals minus 1 minus x. So minus 1 minus 32, this will be minus 33. This is the value of y. Now we will write answer here. X equals 32 and the y equals minus 33. Now we solve this further for the other equation. First one is x plus y equals minus 1 and the x minus y equals minus 65. Now we will add again both of them and get 2 of x equals minus 66 and x equals minus 33. When x is minus 33, substitute this in any one equation. Y equals minus 1 plus 33, so this is 32. Y equals 32, this is the value of y. Now write this here, that x equals minus 33 and y equals 32. Now we will write the solution here. That will be the final answer. So solution is 32 and minus 33 and the minus 33 and 32. So this is the final answer. If you have not subscribed Math Solver 1117, subscribe Math Solver 1117, because in this channel you will find the complete solution of O levels, A levels, IGCSE, GCSE, many other competition exam. Best of luck for your exam. Stay tuned.